I want to see what baby girl's saying.
After being on Love Island, you must be used to this kind of thing, right?
I'm more like
Oh,
a
what
one-night
on Love
stand
Island?
man, but
Dude,
when you
Love
come here,
Island is
you try
a
to chase
weird
that.
ass series,
I can
bro.
handle
Like,
adrenaline,
it's
I'm
pretty
ready.
interesting, but
For anything.
man, the corniness sometimes
Should I be
is like off the chain with that series, bro. Like, seriously. Dude, I have to give Cheyenne props all the time, man. I don't know if she's dressing herself, but the suit that she always wears,
Hello.
How are you?
always look
How
nice.
are you? You look good?
Even if it's
Yeah, I'm
simple.
Cheyenne.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
She's a very, very fine girl.
I've met him before. I feel like we've actually met
Really?
before.
We have briefly.
You actually gave me your jacket,
Mm-hmm.
so you're a
Can I get it
gentleman.
back?
Wow.
You want it back?
I'm joking. It's all yours. I can't believe she didn't bring
Man,
my
that's
jacket.
crazy.
But you know what? That means I can get it tonight.
How did it?
Tell me about you, Biggs.
I'm Biggs. Okay. I'm 29.
How did they
From
meet?
Scotland. Obviously, I did Love Island. I invest in properties.
Would you say you're a ladies' man?
Yeah, I would say so.
Confident, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, what's your type? Do you like Scottish girls or English girls?
Phew. Wow. I like both, but
Yeah.
I prefer them English girls, I would say.
Really? Why is that?
I feel like we connect more.
Okay. So what's your type?
You?
Yeah, that brother's starving.
What is your
Ah,
type? You can't say me. He's cheeky, isn't he?
I like personality.
You like personality?
Yeah.
But you just
Yo,
said me, I
this
could
dude.
be like horrible. Are you telling me what I want to hear?
No, I would, you know, like, looks obviously, but personality is my main.
Really?
I like a funny girl, hyperactive.
Oh,
What about
okay.
you?
Yeah, I'm big on personality vibes and like you got to be smart. I like good deep
I
conversation.
wanted to actually
Why do you
gonna
not
go.
have
Why do I not have one? I'm very picky.
Oh,
Why is everyone asking why I
nice.
don't have a man? Obviously, it's why I'm dating them.
Fuck you making that face for?
It's because I know what I want and I find not that many men can give me what I want.
So what do you want?
Yeah,
then?
right.
Stability,
You're the
honesty,
perfect girl.
loyalty.
Have you met a lot of guys? Have you been on a lot of dates?
I've been on a fair few. No one could get a second date with me.
Nah. Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Why do you say it so? I'm surprised.
I don't know if you're maybe being too picky or maybe being bougie.
No, I'm not bougie.
I'm sure the guys you've met were like decent guys.
Listen, everyone seems decent when you go on a first date because it's like putting your best foot forward, isn't it? You know, but then turns out
I
that
like
they're
how this
ladies'
guy's
men
actually
that
calling
have
her
so
out.
many women and like to keep it with loads of options. That's the
Okay.
problem.
Oh, so she don't like
Okay,
don't
okay,
like
so they
men
move
that
a
have
bit
options.
mad.
Yeah, so
Basically.
you move mad.
You know what? I used to, but I'm 29 now, ready to settle.
Are you? Okay. I'm very big on like the relationship goals and building with someone.
When was your last relationship?
Years ago, like a good few years ago.
Bullshit.
Really?
Yeah. Well,
So
like,
because you're a beautiful girl, so I'm surprised like you haven't
thank you.
found.
No, the joy is it's because I don't date for the sake of like dating.
Yo, I like
So
how
now
he's
I'm
calling
trying to
her
actually
out, but
date
it's
with
like, wait,
intentions.
yeah,
What
I
about
have
you?
somebody
What,
in
like
so
last
long.
relationship?
What
Couple
have
months
you
ago,
been
actually.
doing
What?
throughout
So you're like
those
freshly
years?
single.
Like 6 months?
Fresh.
Yeah, yeah.
No, but so now would like, so say if I was to pursue
Dude,
something
I
with you,
feel
would
like
that be a
Shane is lying
rebound
about.
now?
She'd get in her
It would, but
guts
I
dig
wouldn't.
up, bro.
So it would or
There's
it
no
wouldn't?
I would
fucking
treat
way,
it
bro.
that way, but
She
if you make
been
it past
getting
that,
her cheeks
then
clapped.
I
Gobblers.
know you're the one.
What do I have to do
That's
to
what
be
I
the one?
believe.
Can you cook?
Yeah.
Can you clean?
No. If you start listing these, like, am I your mum?
My woman needs to cook, clean.
Oh my God! If he,
Why am I cleaning up
but
after
yet
you? I'm not your mum.
wait. You know what I don't get about Cheyenne? She just made a list of what she wants. Now the dude is making a list of what he wants, and she got a problem with it. And then, you see what's going on here? Double standard. But yet she always complain about double standard. Very
You cook.
interesting.
Can you clean?
Yeah, I do all that.
Okay.
See me, if we're together, I'll be doing all that.
Okay,
Very
so you're a
interesting,
provider.
though.
Yeah, I would say so.
So you're an alpha?
definitely- Yeah, I'm definitely.
Different.
Yeah.
How different's different?
Most guys would expect a girl to like cook and clean.
You just asked me if I could cook and clean.
Yeah, but I just wanted to know if you could. Okay, you get me?
So would it actually be an issue if I couldn't cook?
I'd find it weird.
So would that be a red flag for you?
Yeah.
What else is a red flag?
I hate girls that go clubbing.
I don't know Wagwan, but that can't run.
Too much.
How much do you go clubbing? So I'm sure, obviously, if you've been on Love Island and stuff,
See,
you
he like
club
a
a lot, no?
modern
I've
type
done all
woman.
that. I'm done.
Not
I'm
modern,
finished.
How do I know
traditional.
you're done? No, you could be telling me you're done.
I'll prove it to you. I'm done with all that.
Wait,
Really, what
Love
did you do last
Island.
weekend?
Which Love Island was he on? Because I watched a couple of Love
Wait,
Island.
hold
Did you,
on.
if you
Couple
say
seasons
clubbing,
well. So I don't know
I went
which...
clubbing, okay. I didn't want to. I was there just to support my
Don't know
boy.
which
oh
Love
yeah, you
Island he
didn't
was
want
on.
to.
I probably
that
don't remember
bad,
him.
you ended up going clubbing.
I didn't want to, so I was there to support my boy.
I'm gonna have
He's
to
just
look him up
newly
again
single,
to
so.
see because
Right,
I
in
watch a
your
lot
lads
of
group,
Love Island.
how
like,
many of you are single?
Truthfully,
Yeah.
only 2.
How many is in your group?
Like 8.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
2 are single.
Yeah.
And so you decide to cut the single ones. You don't want to just, you know.
Yeah, I just thought I needed to help him.
You help him or help yourself. Did you pull? Why are you stopping?
Wait, hold up. I feel like it's a police investigation. It's just more like I was there to support him. I didn't want to
don't
be
let she
there.
grill you,
But I
bruh.
thought, you're my boy, you're newly single, let me support.
Okay, so is
If
that,
I have to pull a girl just to support my man, I'll do that.
how many women have you slept with?
These questions are mad.
Go on. Why are you getting shy?
Don't
Mr.
fold,
Confident a
man.
minute ago.
Don't-
Okay, how
Oh,
many?
dude.
Not many.
How many then?
8.
You've only slept with 8 women? That's really good. I feel
That's
like you're
a-
lying.
Nah, I mean it.
I feel like that's a
Lying.
lie, bruh.
You've only slept with 8 women? So what's your longest relationship?
2 years.
I don't believe
about
that,
you?
man.
My
He's
longest?
lying. No
yeah, like
freaking
2-3
way.
years?
Okay. How did that end? Was it your fault or his?
It was on my terms. We're still good friends.
Okay, that's good. I like that.
How about you?
Yeah, we're still good friends, for sure.
Are you? What's her side of the story?
Different, but that doesn't
really?
matter. That doesn't matter.
Have you ever cheated?
Yeah. Why did I come here?
Another cheat.
Listen, you know what? Obviously, I'm not proud I did it
That's why you're smiling.
because I'm over all that. I've actually cheated on all my.
What? You've
It's,
cheated?
yeah,
Sorry?
it's a bad thing. Why did I tell her that?
Wow,
So how many relationships
that's
have you had?
crazy.
Maybe like 6.
Hold a minute. You've slept with more than 8 people then?
Nah.
Yes, if you've had 6 girlfriends and you've cheated.
Wait, hold
No,
up,
no,
hold
no.
up. Wait.
Oh,
Baby,
he just
it's about
called
you.
himself.
A for effort.
Damn,
Trying to
he just-
maintain
he
this
just
lie. Definitely slept with a lot
give
of women.
out
then.
himself.
You've cheated on all your girlfriends.
Because he
So
got
would you
6
call
and
yourself
cheated
a
on
high-value
all 6
man?
of them.
A
So basically
high-value
it's
man.
like,
No,
maybe
you wouldn't-
12.
Oh, you don't
What
want
is
to try and
lying?
run that flag,
Respect myself.
but you just don't respect women.
I do.
But how
A
can
lot.
you if you cheat on them?
It's just a drunken mistake.
No. So you,
That was
6
in the past,
times?
though, but it's now I'm looking to settle.
yeah, but do you think a woman's going to want to settle for someone? Like, your track record's not great, is it?
Exactly. But you know what? I done it all. So I did that.
And done it again, and again, and again.
Yeah, but that's in the past.
But I'm sure you said that to your new girlfriend, and then it happened again. History repeating itself.
I did that. It's in the past. It's done.
Really? How do I know I can trust you?
Do you not feel like you can trust me?
Oh, well, this is the thing, and I feel like this is why it would be hard, because you've got really friendly, trustworthy eyes.
Yeah, I feel you.
He's a bit of a charmer, isn't he? If I then was with you,
Yo,
and
I
then
think
you
that he's
cheated,
kind of
You know,
calm.
all people would ever say to me
And
is,
does feel like
"More
he's
for you,
lying."
You know he's a cheater.
But
True.
that's the tricky
Ain't
thing
gonna
about
happen.
it.
This is long.
So you're a good guy.
Have you ever cheated?
No,
Be honest.
no, never cheated. And no need to.
Hmm.
No need to. Just break up with them.
Have you been close?
No, do you know what? To be fair, I felt a detachment, but I just break up.
See, I wish I had that quality.
Dude,
Yeah.
Cheyenne is
Good.
But the thing is with me, I like keeping people happy. So I don't do things for me. As in, last week I went clubbing. I didn't wanna, but I had to support my friend.
So you take no accountability for your actions.
Not really.
Okay. Am I being a bit mean?
But I'm clean now. I'm clean. Do you believe me? I feel like you do.
Yo,
No, I wanna believe you,
she's
but I'm not
feeling
gonna.
sympathy.
No?
I don't know
No.
if this guy is
You
actually
should.
using his
Do you have
brain on
commitment
her.
issues then?
I did before, but not now. I can feel a connection.
I could actually feel the vibe, but because I know that you're a cheater, I'm trying to like resist it.
She definitely wants me. I can
Yo!
tell. I can feel the connection.
Remember
I
because
coulda-
the
I
old
coulda
jacket
liked
thing,
you,
so she have
but I
the,
told you the truth.
you know what? He already have a thing with her already with the jacket and everything, so they already have memories or history from that scenario. Even if it's the cheating thing, hear what she said a while ago, right? She said she's trying to resist. That means she's holding back her true emotions or true urge. That means dude, this is crazy. This is the nature of human beings playing out right now. She's trying to resist, but yet she want to give in, but because of the cheating thing. So you're telling me if he didn't mention he cheated, would she give him a chance?
Damn.
Okay.
I'm done.
Just
But I
saying,
feel
bro.
like this is the typical, you know, when you go back into like the schoolgirl bad boy, oh, he can change for me. No, you're not going to change for me.
Nah, but girls love that.
The girls do, I'm a woman, so.
Women, the same. Because growing up, I was like the nice boy, and I used to get on. So I thought, you know what, let me become a dickhead. And then all these girls started coming.
What happened? What made you turn sour then?
Because nice guys to finish last.
Do you think?
It's true.
That's
I
kind
don't think they
that's
do.
kind of true,
No,
bro.
I like the quiet, mysterious.
It's kind of true,
Do
man.
you?
Yeah, I like
Not a lot of
it.
girls are
I
like that.
proved
Yeah,
it
I
for
really like
myself,
the one that no one else
and it
wants
actually
to
worked,
do.
bro.
I don't believe that.
Don't have to.
And it's
I
sad,
believe, like,
but
your
it's
exes were
kind of
quite
true
loud,
until
active.
when the
No.
age difference
No, because I'm
changed.
quite a loud person and I'm very active, so I need someone to give me the balance and rein me in. So how many women have you actually slept with? And I feel like you need to just tell the truth.
Like 16. Okay, how many do you think?
At least 100.
Ooh.
Reason why, and I don't want to make a horrible assumption, but you've been on Love Island, so when you come out,
So?
I feel like.
But I was in a relationship.
Okay, so do you feel like you've had? Do you like people put it as like hoe years? Have you done that?
Yeah, I've done that years ago.
So how many people do you sleep with?
60? How
What?
many have you slept with?
Next question.
What is 60, right?
That means it's a lot if you're not answering that.
Why? So what? What if it was a lot?
It's an ego thing with men. Not a lot of guys want a girl that's slept with a lot.
Why though?
It's an ego thing. I don't want to walk into a club and like this guy says, oh, I hit them. I hit her, this, that.
Yeah, but at the same time, why is it nice for women
Ego.
to experience that? If I've walked into a club with you,
But girls, they don't really care about that.
we
Would you care?
actually no, but do you know what it is? It's because society's conditioned us not to care as much.
Yeah.
Men make it such an issue.
But would you care?
I wouldn't. And it depends on the woman that you've done it with as well.
Listen,
Oh,
you wouldn't
see, I
care,
wouldn't
bro.
like it.
You wouldn't
You wouldn't?
care, bro.
Really?
There's
You
no
wouldn't
way
care,
my
bro.
baby girl's gonna be sleeping around. Hell nah.
More double standards. Would you be with me if I
But
slept
you
with
just
50 men?
mentioned a double
Nah.
standard earlier.
But I feel like you've slept
Remember?
with definitely at
Remember,
least
guys, she
50.
mentioned a double
But-
standard earlier.
So you have, so you're not denying it.
No, I haven't. But if I told you that, you wouldn't care. Whereas if you told me, it would hurt a guy.
Yeah, that's weird. Do you get pussy?
Wifey's only.
What?
Like if you're my girl, that's about it.
But do you like women giving you head? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You look angry.
No, I'm just saying nothing.
You know what? Women, they're more giving.
Yeah.
And men are selfish.
Yeah, do you come quick then?
No.
Why did you say it so defensive?
It's a silly question.
No, it's a question. He definitely comes quick. How long do you like?
45 minutes.
It's okay.
What, would you like longer?
No, good little workout.
What about you?
Maybe 20.
That's fair.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This guy is calm, but he's pretty interesting. I'm not gonna lie. I'm liking the interaction so far. But she comes
Do
to
you
know
get
about
a
double
lot of
standard, but yet
like,
it's just what it is,
It's
man.
hard being a woman. Men will just chat you up everywhere. Like even when you have a face mask on, because men were chatting us up, like, you can't even see my face.
Do you like it though?
No, I do what I don't. I actually don't.
Always?
I like-
Surely when you were younger, growing up. No?
No, to be fair, because I was actually really ugly growing up.
Bum.
Yeah, I was proper ugly.
When did it all change?
I think when it was like year 9 when I got boobs and learned to put makeup on, then the boys in school were like, when my friends started seeing me different, because it was like, I used to like,
I would
be
like to see a
gold-faced,
picture of
make me
her
go in goal,
younger.
be the goalkeeper.
Seriously, because
And then
I
it was
don't,
just a point when they'd be like,
although I
oh,
believe
Shane,
her though.
you
I
look
see
nice
enough
today.
person that I know
Goalkeeper?
from when they were younger to
that.
now, they look way better, older than when they
How
were
was it
younger.
growing up
So I cannot
in
understand.
Scotland?
Obviously, I was born in Holland, so I moved to Scotland when I was 12.
Oh, really?
So yeah, we were like the only black folks.
Yeah, so how was that for you?
It was weird. Obviously, I'm used to being around my own people, but it made me learn a lot. Again, like growing up with white folks, and then,
Yeah.
because back home, like in Holland, it was just black people everywhere.
So as an adult in your life, did you date black or white women? Because obviously if you're in an area, an environment that's predominantly white people.
Yeah, it's mainly been white. I've never dated a black girl,
What?
or even kissed a black girl.
Never even kissed?
I'd
Wow.
like to. In Scotland, if there is a black girl there, most of my boys are white in it, so when we're out, the black girl will automatically go for my boy,
Yeah.
and the white girl will go for me.
With your family and stuff, how do they?
Oh,
I know it
because
sounds bad and it's going to sound
I
really
understand
mad,
because
but
through the
how do they
limited
feel
amount
about
of
like you
black
dating
people, so
white girls?
I
They're fine,
understand.
they're happy. Like where I stay is mainly white folks, so
But do you ever feel the way? Do you ever like get panicky like going with a woman that's white because you know like everything's fine until Christmas comes and the racist joke comes out?
the girls I date aren't really like they're not like that at all.
Oh really, that's good.
Yeah.
I think then you're fetishized for being a black guy. Like how do you know a woman's not just going with you because
know-
you're the black experience?
I don't even, I won't even know.
She'll say something by, it's just the tone and the text that they use because if they happen to mention your colour, then it's like a fetishizing.
You know what, I'm gonna say a mad thing you've probably never heard, but I feel like most of my exes, they've never even been with a black guy. Weirdly, I prefer that. I don't know why.
So, but then do you not see how like you could be like the fetish? So don't get me wrong, like love is love.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can literally
enough.
be attracted to anyone and everyone. Like I've dated white guys, so
Nah,
I'm not
that's
saying that.
cool,
but do you
bruh.
not find it weird that if you're their first experience, that you're just like a fetish or an experience to them?
Nah.
No.
I can understand, but that's not been the case for me.
Okay. When was the last time you cried?
Long time ago.
How long's a long time?
Easy 6, 7 years.
What?
Yeah. My
Who's
grand
that?
died. Rest in peace. I don't cry, nah.
Nothing like-
You don't often see black guys.
I know, that's what I mean.
Right.
I know men don't like show emotion, but I didn't realise it was like that mad. Like, I swear everyone I've spoken to doesn't cry.
I feel like life could have been worse, so anything that happens, just need to keep going.
You're just like,
Yeah.
chill.
Let's say we're going out.
Dude, and it's kind of, you know, it's
And
funny.
you
The
keep
only
clubbing,
time I've
go out
cried,
every
when
night.
I'm watching
I won't complain to you.
some sad anime
You get me?
scene.
It's just me.
Believe it or not, anime.
Because I feel like it's
It's
not in
I
me to
don't
like
cry, bruh.
complain to us.
Seriously.
You get me?
Yeah, but like communication's key. So
No,
then when
but
we
I
break
know, I
up,
know.
so you're gonna get mad at me, and then dish
I'll
me some
just-
insults. Oh, you're going out on time.
Yeah. See, I just wouldn't complain. I would just like end the relationship.
That's really bad. So you wouldn't even tell a woman what she's done. That's actually really horrible. So you just would end it out of nowhere.
I don't like complaining.
But it's not
It's a
complaining.
bad-
But it's not complaining. It's just expressing to your partner what you do and don't want. It's about understanding each other. Like no one's perfect. You're not going to just get with me and we're going to know how we work or what we want and what we like.
Yeah, I would say that's like,
Your toxic trait.
yeah.
Big.
But that's a good thing though. Think about it. I don't want to complain about it. I don't want to
Then you just
complain.
break and leave me, then I'm heartbroken. So how is that a good
Yeah, I
thing?
know. I feel you. I feel you.
Have you done that?
Yeah, I've done it so many times. So there'll be things girls do. I won't say much. I'll just
That's
like
actually really horrible. Like genuinely, and I mean it in the nicest way to use. I don't mean
chilling. I like chilling. You get me? It doesn't have to be like that. You might not believe what I'm saying, but trust me.
yeah, and then that's what happens, ladies. Then we let the guard down, and then it's just gone wrong.
Yeah, no, I do feel you.
Yo, I like the conversation that they're having, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
This
I
conversation
fart
is
around
actually
you.
pretty good.
Often.
No, it's not like I'm counting, but I'll fart.
How soon into the relationship?
I'll fart straight away.
Would you? Are you like that?
Yeah, because I just want to just be comfortable in it. I'm not trying to like put on this fake image. Oh, I'm perfect. No.
Yeah. Okay. White flag, if that's even a thing. I love a girl comfortable. So if you fart even right now, I'd probably kiss you, just for that. Legit, because you're comfortable about me. That means a lot.
Yo, this guy.
Girl gotta fart.
If you fart
Girl
now, I
gotta
will kiss
fart.
you.
Would you be with me if I had OnlyFans?
It's a sticky one, that.
Why?
I couldn't. Not for me.
Why not?
OnlyFans. Nah. Would you be with me? if I had it?
I don't. The way I see industries and stuff, I don't really mind.
I'm not saying OnlyFans a bad thing, but like I've worked too hard to be like going out with someone that does that. Like,
Yeah, but do you not think sometimes like they're smart women? It's not as just simple as taking a pic. Like it's marketing yourself, pictures, consistency.
okay, can I take a girl home to my family and tell her what she does? OnlyFans.
I don't know. Can you?
I could. Could you?
It's not about what someone does. You don't lead with that at the end of the day because there's women that are smart, kind, caring, like compassionate women.
Start the
so why should
bullshit,
you lead
bruh.
with because she does this for a living? No.
So you'd be with me if I did that?
Yeah.
And
If
if
you're
I
a
got
nice
my out everything.
But if you're a nice guy, you treated people with respect, like you're a nice person, why should your job define you? What really annoys me is why can't he have the same energy for trappers? Like, it's just women hustling and making their money.
I feel like most people would agree with me. Like,
People would rather someone be with a trapper than be with someone that works in the adult industry. And what's sad about it is the reality of a trapper, like, they ruin a lot of lives.
facts, but it's an ego thing. Like, I can't be with a girl and everyone's seen her body. Like, what kind of man does that make me? What's amazing?
I think there's rules. I think if you were to, not saying that I do,
Yeah.
but I think if we were going to, the woman would have to choose.
Yeah, that's
because
fair.
otherwise you're asking for drama. And
Yeah,
it's
nah,
rude.
fair. Nah, I'm easy. Pick as many as you want.
Have you ever had a threesome?
Yeah, nah, I have.
Have you?
Punching into a girl's asshole like this.
Have you?
No.
I know when you're lying. See,
Why am I
this is,
lying?
I can tell you my baby girl already. I
Why?
can tell. You do that cute. I know when you're lying. She's lying. She's 100% had a threesome.
What if I was in a gang?
Yo. You call her out on a threesome, bro. Dude, this is crazy. She freaking lying, bro. Dude.
Weird. Like gang.
Dude.
Yeah, gang
Cassidy
life.
said it earlier before. She
Nah, I'm
like
not
the
into
bad
that.
man.
Are you into that? Girls love
She
that.
like the bad man,
So
bro.
there's a certain type of woman that likes that lifestyle, but I can assure you, many
This day and
women
age,
do
they
not.
love it.
No, women like lifestyle. Women like money. They like things. They genuinely. So if you were a rich broker, they'll still love it. It's just money and lifestyle. It's not that you're a trapper.
Okay.
It's just trappers because do you know what it is? I think, and this is just my only analysis of it. Women like trappers simply because they're quite careless with their money and stuff, and like there's no structure to the lifestyle. Whereas if you get with a man that's got a good career and has money, it's a very different lifestyle setup. Because it's easy.
Yeah,
you
he would
fuck a
like
drug
more
dealer?
organized.
No way.
They like the
You
drug
wouldn't?
dealer, forget the money
Have you ever?
easy.
Yeah, I
If
did,
they get
like
the
when I was
jewelry,
younger.
the shoes,
Never
anything
again,
they
because I
want,
think it's wrong.
recklessly. So
it's immoral.
that actually makes
and
sense.
there's plenty of other ways to get money.
But you get different types. I don't condone it, obviously, but you get different kind of. You get the immature one, but you get some big boys, you know, like they move correct, but they live that life.
Tearing people's lives apart.
Yeah, you're not into it. I feel you.
So how do you think you've done?
Very well.
I think you've done
This is
alright.
actually pretty
feel like it was-
good though. I'm not gonna lie.
Easy.
Yeah, it was easy. A few red flags.
Yeah.
A lot of red flags.
You know what? The thing is, a lot of red flags that I put out there, but you taught me, you get me, how to fix these things.
But are you actually going to do that?
For sure. Would you go on another date?
I would actually. Do you want to go on another date?
Easy.
Yeah, cheers to that.
Let's do it.
Yo, this is actually a good
I
one
really
though. I'm not
enjoyed
gonna lie.
myself.
You had a good time.
I had a really good time.
The date was beautiful. I felt there's a connection there. I was a bit
I know
nervous
I
meeting
haven't
her,
been in that black
but it
girl.
went well.
She's
Oh, do
she's
you know what? I
mixed
don't
race,
know if I want
right?
to see him again. I want to see him again, but I just can't get past the cheating.
Would you see her again?
Easy. Easy. And I think she would.
He took it really well. I felt like he wasn't triggered and he just answered correct. But I felt like he was telling me what I wanted to hear.
But I handled it well. I think I fumbled a little bit. She caught me out, but you know what? I'm here to learn.
Do you know what? I really, really felt like we vibes well. I want to give him a high score, but I actually can't get past the cheating. So I'm going to give him an... Oh, wait.
Oh,
Yeah, I
9.
think-
She was gonna give
I'm going to give Biggs a 7.
Damn, she was gonna give him a 9, bro.